Hello, welcome to my channel. Press subscribe button for more. Iron Man. Can you imagine what Iron Man would look like as a T-Rex? Transformation of Iron Man T-Rex. Spider-Man. What would Spider-Man's T-Rex form look like? Let us know your thoughts. Transformation of Spider-Man T-Rex. Hulk. Hulk as a T-Rex, what do you think? Transformation of Hulk T-Rex. Like the video. Captain America. What would Captain America's T-Rex look like? Transformation of Captain America T-Rex. Thor. Thor's T-Rex would have a mighty hammer, right? Transformation of Thor T-Rex. Watch till the end, the final pineapple hero is the craziest one yet. Black Panther. How do you think Black Panther's T-Rex would move? Transformation of Black Panther T-Rex. Wonder Woman. Would Wonder Woman's T-Rex still have her lasso? Transformation of Wonder Woman T-Rex. Aquaman. Aquaman as a T-Rex with water powers, how cool would that be? Transformation of Aquaman T-Rex. Share the video. Carnage. Carnage as a T-Rex would be terrifying. What do you think? Transformation of Carnage T-Rex. Venom. Venom's T-Rex version, would it still be all about symbiotes? Share thoughts. Transformation of Venom T-Rex. Joker. How would Joker's T-Rex look? Would it have a crazy laugh? Transformation of Joker T-Rex. Loki. What would Loki's T-Rex look like with his tricks and magic powers? Transformation of Loki T-Rex. Strange. Can you imagine Doctor Strange casting spells with tiny T-Rex arms? Transformation of Doctor Strange T-Rex. Deadpool. Deadpool as a T-Rex? Total chaos. Transformation of Deadpool T-Rex. Groot. Can you imagine Groot saving the galaxy with tree power? Transformation of Groot T-Rex. Batman. Can you imagine Batman trying to fight crime with a rubber chicken? Transformation of Batman T-Rex. Superman. Can you imagine Superman with a T-Rex? Transformation of Superman T-Rex. Flash. Can you imagine Flash with tiny T-Rex arms? Transformation of Flash T-Rex. Robin. Can you imagine Robin fighting crime with T-Rex strength? Transformation of Robin T-Rex. Wolverine. Can you imagine Wolverine with T-Rex claws? Transformation of Wolverine T-Rex. Stay tuned. For last, Ant-Man. Can you imagine Ant-Man with T-Rex strength? Transformation of Ant-Man T-Rex. Thanos. Can you imagine Thanos with T-Rex strength and a tiny snap? Transformation of Thanos T-Rex. Red Hulk. Can you imagine Red Hulk with T-Rex power? Transformation of Red Hulk T-Rex. Ghost. Can you imagine Ghost with T-Rex speed? Transformation of Ghost T-Rex. Ben Grimm. Can you imagine Ben Grimm as a T-Rex? Transformation of Ben Grimm T-Rex. Green Lantern. Would Jon Stewart's T-Rex have the Green Lantern ring powers? Transformation of Green Lantern T-Rex. Dear Doom. Can you imagine Dr. Doom trying to conquer the world half asleep? Transformation of Dr. Doom T-Rex. Hellboy. Imagine Hellboy stomping in like a dino. Transformation of Hellboy T-Rex. Shazam. Can you imagine Shazam with T-Rex strength? Transformation of Shazam T-Rex. Manhunter. Martian Manhunter's T-Rex would have cool mind powers. What would it be like? Transformation of Martian Manhunter T-Rex. Thanks for watching.